Madam President, thank you. I remain deeply concerned by the continued demolitions and seizures of Palestinian-owned structures, which have included international-funded humanitarian projects. I urge Israel to cease demolitions and evictions in line with its obligation under international humanitarian law and to approve plans that would enable these communities to build legally and address their development needs.
I thank Mr. Wennesland for his brief.
Citing the absence of Israeli-issued building permits, which are almost impossible for Palestinians to obtain, 302 structures were demolished or seized by Israeli authorities or demolished by their owners to avoid heavy Israeli demolition fees. These actions displaced 433 people, including 251 children and 102 women.
President, and thank you to the Special Coordinator, Tor Wennesland.
Unfortunately, daily violence continued. Overall, 27 Palestinians, including 2 women and 5 children, were killed by Israeli security forces during demonstration, clashes, security operation, and other incidents. 4,814 Palestinians, including 10 women and 530 children, were injured. Of these, 3,369 injuries were due to tear gas inhalations. 205 were injured by live ammunition. 1 Israeli soldier was killed by Palestinians and 41 Israelis, including 7 women and 1 child, were injured by Palestinians in clashes, rock and Molotov cocktail throwing, attacks and other incidents.
I thank Mr. Wennesland for his brief.